Today, I'm going to teach you how to save money every month by using the K.A.T.E method. What the heck is the K.A.T.E method? I'm going to tell you right now. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea about how to move forward with optimism and inspiration to save more money every single month. Today, I'm going to share with you how I get things done. Well, what exactly have you done, Kate? Well, I'm no millionaire and I'm no famous author yet, but I have been able to save $20,000 in cash to pay off my car, and I've been able to save up a 6-month emergency fund, all while being a single parent. Not too shabby. I'm gonna show you how to stay focused on your financial goals and get you to the goals that you're aspiring to. I'm about to share the K.A.T.E method now, but before we do that, can you just take a second, click the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell so you know every time I upload. And if you are interested in the information of how I saved that $20,000, I'll leave the 2 videos. I have part 1 and part 2 in the description below that you can watch after this video. All right, let's get started. The K.A.T.E method. What is that? The K.A.T.E method can be applied in your life goals and your financial goals, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna focus more on the financial goals. The first letter, K, stands for keep focus. You can have anything you want, but you've got to know what it is. In other words, eyes on the prize. I'll use the car example right now to demonstrate how I was keeping focus. Saving $20,000 does not happen by accident. You have to be super strategic, especially living as a single parent with multiple jobs. And when you watch that video, you'll see all what I do to make money. You have to have laser focus on what your intentions are. When I was trying to pay that off, first of all, thinking about what your why is super important. I wanted to pay off that car so I didn't have a car payment anymore. My car payment at the time was about $300. But can you imagine right now, whatever your car payment is, if you have one, if suddenly you had $300 more in your budget to play with or to pay off debt? It's huge. Not having a car payment is huge. Another part of keeping focused is practicing frugal minimalism. I'm going to read to you the 2 things that I get most out of when I read about minimalism or frugality and why I practice these things. And I'm sorry, I gotta look down. I just wanna make sure I read it to you the right way. At its core, minimalism is the intentional promotion of the things we most value and the removal of everything that distracts us from it. It is a life that forces intentionality, and as a result, it forces improvements in almost all aspects of your life. That is why I practice minimalism. Secondly, the frugality part. Frugality, if you cut it down to the core of frugality, it means not wasteful. So if you combine frugality with minimalism, you're gonna get the most value out of life because you're only focused on what's important to you. Keep focus. Keep your focus on your goals and get rid of all the noise around it. If you only are focused on what's important to you and you strip away all the noise, you're gonna see more clearly what it is that you want. You're gonna get laser focused and you're gonna get it. That's what you gotta do. Keep focus. Eyes on the prize. Moving on to A. A stands for adjust. Again, the willingness to adjust when things change in your financial situation or in your life situation is huge. For example, in my life situation, did I set out to be a single mother? No. But life happens, things happen and you have to be willing to adjust. The same thing will happen in your finances based on life events or increases or decreases in your income. And you have to be willing to adjust, and you have to execute the adjustment even when it's so hard to deal with the change. Going back to the financial view of adjustment, that's why I love using every dollar, because you can easily adjust your numbers as you go. Don't hate me because I have not still done a video about everydollar.com. It's free. It is the best one, the most user-friendly, and there's someday I'm gonna get that video together for you. Even though it's like the video that I do for you will be super helpful, I'm sure, but it's very, very self-explanatory once you get going with it. Basically, you're putting in your income and you're putting in your expenses. And if you watch my budgeting video, you know how I list my expenses, the order I list my expenses, the categories I list my expenses. All that will help you so much until I get my act together with that video. Which leads us to the big T. T is for tracking. When you are trying to reach a goal, I am a firm believer that you have to track everything. When I was losing weight, I'll leave that up here, I tracked everything on MyFitnessPal, which helped me lose 20 pounds. If you are trying to do your finances and you're trying to save money, you've got to track your progress. That's why I highly recommend you can either do pen and paper or you can use every dollar and track everything. Every single day, whether I'm always reaching for a goal, but every single day, I sit down and look at my finances every single day. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know, every morning when I get up, feed the cats, I feed my son, I feed the hamster, and then I sit down with a cup of coffee and I look at my finances every single morning. I open every dollar. I make sure I've accounted for every single expense that I have paid for. I make sure to track every dollar of income that comes in. And I am very intentional of my savings goal, and I am very intentional in tracking every single dollar so that I know where my money is going. Are you guys still with me? We're almost to E. If you're still here, please go in the comments below and type in K.A.T.E method so I know that you're all the way at the end of this video and you are learning the K.A.T.E method. The last and final letter is E. E stands for eliminate. Eliminate all the noise, all the distractions, everything that doesn't align with your goal. If it's your financial budget that you're looking at and there are things that you really don't need, cut those. If you have things that you know you could cut back on a little bit, cut those. Eliminate. This is applicable in life if we're talking about people that are toxic and friendships that drag you down and suck all your energy and you never get anything out of and they just drain you. Find a way to gently eliminate in that case. But in general, keep eliminating the things that do not add value to your life. Eliminate. Eliminate negative thoughts that you've been telling yourself for years. Eliminate boundaries that don't even exist, that you've created in your mind of why you can't live the life that you want. Eliminate all the stuff in your home that doesn't really reflect you and your goals in life. If you have clutter piling up in closets and you open a drawer and things are popping up, eliminate. Eliminate all the stuff that doesn't bring you joy and doesn't add value to this life that you want. Kaden is getting restless, as you can see, so it's time to stop filming. Come on over here, baby. It's time for Kaden's Time in the sun.
The K.A.T.E method. Your name is Kate.
Very, very, very smart.
If you like the K.A.T.E method, please share it.
Yes, if you like the K.A.T.E method, please share it with someone that can use it. We hope you have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. Let's wave bye. Bye! Which letter of the K.A.T.E method resonated most with you? I'm really interested. Leave a comment below. Was it K, A, T, or E? Let me know. See you later. I know you're not trying to leave here without hitting subscribe. Hit subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell. I will see you next time.